Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import fonts on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and for us to import fonts is very simple. So first let's add a text right here. So click on text, add default text, and we'll be using this as an example right here. So let's just go and make this bigger right here. So this is our text right there. So this is our default text, and then we're going to go for a sample. And then the next thing that we are going to do is that we simply need to, let's go here. Let's go drag this text right here. So there, this is just an example right here. So I'm going to change this font into this one right here. This is my font that I will be importing into CapCut PC. And from here, as you can see, this font, I have a TTF file. Most fonts that you would download needs a TTF file for you to install. So when I open the TTF file, I can click here on install, and as you can see, it's already installed, and click on yes. Right here, it's now installing, and now it has been successfully installed. After you have installed it, you can immediately see it in CapCut right here. So when I click on my title, my text, and then go into the font, and then from here, you want to make sure that you are in the system fonts right here. You can go for the system fonts and make sure to not keep the presets right here if you are trying to find the font that you have imported. And you can see it right here, and I have mine right here. So where is it? It's called Barbie, and then it's from here in the system font, under system font right here, Barbie, and here it is. This is my font right here that I exported, and now I have it right here. So yeah, you can just find it right here, and make sure to search under system fonts, not under presets right here. So yeah, that is basically how you can import your font here in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching.